Struggling to install Java on your Mac? You're not alone. You download Java, install it, and nothing works. Apps refuse to open, tools say Java isn't installed, and somehow you end up with multiple versions that break everything. But don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, Java will be installed correctly on your Mac, and you won't run into any of those annoying issues. No confusion, no errors. Just a smooth setup, and there's one small step most people miss that could save you hours of frustration. I'll show you what it is. Let's dive in. Before installing anything, let's check if Java is already on your system. Open Terminal. Type this command. All the commands shown in this video will be in the description, so you can copy it from there. If it says command not found, Java is not installed. If it shows a version, you already have Java, but it might be outdated or incorrectly configured. Why check first? If you install Java over an old or broken version without cleaning it up, you could end up with conflicts. Let's avoid that. Next step, remove any old or conflicting Java installations before installing a fresh one. If you already have Java but it's causing issues, let's clean it up first. Step 1. Check installed Java versions. Run this in Terminal. This will list all installed Java versions. Step 2. Remove old versions. If you see multiple versions, you can remove them manually by running. Warning: this removes all installed Java versions. If you need a specific one, delete only that folder. Step 3. Verify Java is gone. Run java-version again. If it says command not found, we're ready for a clean install. Now let's install Java the right way. Now let's get the latest version of Java directly from the source. Step 1. Download Java from Oracle or openjdk. Both links will be in the description as usual. Now, which one should you choose? Oracle Java best for running apps that require official licensing. OpenJDK best for developers, completely free, works with most tools. Choosing the right Java version for macOS. When downloading Java from Oracle's website, you'll see 3 operating system options: Linux, macOS, Windows. Since you're on a Mac, select macOS. But here's where it gets tricky. You'll see multiple download options. Let's break them down. You'll typically see 4 options, as shown on the screen. But which one should you pick? Here's what each one means. ARM64 versus x64. What's the difference? ARM64 for Macs with Apple, Silicon, M1, M2, M3 chips. If you have a newer Mac, choose this. x64 for Intel-based Macs. If you have an older Mac before 2020, choose this. DMG versus compressed archive. Which one? DMG installer, the easiest method. It comes with a simple installation process. Just double click and follow the steps. Compressed archive .tar.gz. Advanced users only. This is a manual installation and requires setting up paths in Terminal. Which one should you choose? Most users choose ARM64 DMG installer for M1M to M3 or x64 DMG installer for Intel Macs. Advanced users, if you prefer a manual setup or need a portable version, go with the compressed archive. Once downloaded, open the .dmg file and follow the installation steps. Step 2. Install the Java package. Open the downloaded .dmg file. Run the installer and follow the instructions. Once installed, open Terminal. Verify by typing java-version. You should see something like this. That means Java is installed successfully. Here. Downloading Java from adoptium.net. Go to adoptium.net. Choose the latest LTS release. LTS Sears long-term support recommended for stability. Why choose Adoptium over Oracle? Free for commercial and personal use. Oracle requires a subscription for commercial use. LTS versions for long-term stability. Fully compatible with most Java applications. After installing, restart your terminal and check the Java version using java-version. You should now see Temurin as your installed Java version. But wait, there's one more step most people forget that can cause problems. If Java is installed but still not working in some apps, it's because your system doesn't know where to find it. Step 1. Find the Java installation path. Run this command. This will return something like, Step 2. Set Java home permanently. Edit your shell configuration file. If you're using ZSH, default on new Macs. Run this command. Scroll to the bottom and add this line. Step 3. Apply the changes. Save and close the file, then run this command. If the correct path shows up, you're good to go. Why does this matter? Some apps and build tools like Maven, Gradle, and Android Studio won't detect Java unless Java Home is set correctly. Let's run a quick test to confirm everything is working. Step 1. Create a simple Java program. Open Terminal, type this. Paste this code. Nito, press Ctrl+X, then Y. Then enter to save. Step 2. Compile and run Java. If you see this, congratulations! Java is installed and running perfectly on your Mac. You've got Java installed and everything is working. Awesome! Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.